Transgender Hero 2020, supported by APTN. This award recognizes the work of a transgender person who has improved the lives of transgender people in any capacity in specific countries in Asia and the Pacific.
And there are 3 honorees for this award. And the award goes to Nayab Ali. Congratulations, and let's hear it from the winner.
I'm Nayab from Pakistan. It's a great honor for me and for my Pakistani transgender community that we won this most significant Asian title, the APCOM Hero Award under transgender category. I would like to thank APCOM Alga Asia and all partners for making this happen. That all efforts for the betterment of LGBTI community are being recognized through this prestigious award. I was attacked and physically assaulted in last week only due to advocating against ongoing attacks on the transgender community in Pakistan. I was feeling very unsafe and disheartened during this traumatic situation, but at the same time, receiving this prestigious title filled me with more courage to work for the rights of our community, making safest world for the LGBTI community. This acknowledgement gave me hope that one day we will be equal, empowered, and change the world. Once again, thank you very much. I'm feeling so much humbled and honored.
And to present this award and bouquet, will you please welcome Her Excellency Ambassador Dr. Sarah Taylor of the Embassy of Canada.
และขอเรียนเชิญผู้แทนเพื่อรับรางวัลด้วยนะครับ Welcoming the representative of Nayab Ali. Congratulations. Nayab Ali is the first trans woman in Muslim world to contest national poll with political affiliation from NA142 Agra, Punjab, Pakistan. He's currently working as a transgender rights expert consultant and also a capacity building expert in the Rule of Law project. And also, she's running an organization and consultancy firm named Transgender Rights Consultants Pakistan ขอเสียงปรบมือดังๆด้วยนะครับ Congratulations